How the immune system works, your body's defense mechanism. Ever wondered how your body fights off viruses and bacteria? Let's take a closer look at the incredible immune system, and its role in keeping you healthy. Why do immune cells make great friends? Because they've got your back, and your front. What is the immune system? The immune system is the body's defense network, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Innate versus adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is the body's first line of defense, while adaptive immunity develops specific responses to invaders over time. White blood cells, or leukocytes, play a central role in detecting and attacking pathogens. Antibodies are proteins produced by B cells that bind to specific antigens on pathogens, marking them for destruction. T cells are specialized white blood cells that directly kill infected cells and help coordinate the immune response. Vaccination. Vaccines work by training the immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens without causing illness. Autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells, as seen in conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Allergies are the result of an overactive immune response to harmless substances, such as pollen or pet dander. Inflammation is a natural immune response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to health issues. The role of the gut. The gut plays a critical role in immune health, as it contains a large number of immune cells that protect against pathogens. Immunodeficiency. Conditions like HIV weaken the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to infections. Boosting immunity. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper sleep can help support the immune system. Immune memory. Once the immune system encounters a pathogen, it creates a memory of it, allowing for a faster and stronger response in the future. The immune system is a complex network that protects the body from infection. By understanding how it works, we can better appreciate its role in maintaining health. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.